If this person could speak freely, ito yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Hindi kita sinaktan dahil wala akong nararamdaman. I hope that you someday will forgive me. Sinaktan kita dahil hindi ko alam kung paano maging sapat noong panahon na yon. They regret the timing, they regret the choices, they regret not protecting the connection. And at the same time, natatakot siya na baka huli na ang lahat. Kaya ang hiling niya ay simple lang na balang araw mapatawad mo siya. This person isn't silent because they don't care. They're silent because they don't want to reopen the wounds na baka hindi pa handang gumaling. May takot siya na baka ma-reject, baka masaktan ulit, baka makita mong wala pa rin siyang sapat na ma-offer sa'yo. And this person carries the weight of what if and I should have known better. And the guilt is heavier than you think. The universe wants you to know this gently. Forgiveness is not obligation. It's not reconciliation. Alam niya ang kasalanan niya. Kaya, forgiveness is release para sa sarili mo. Whether this person come back or not, the regret is real. Pero, alam niyang nagkamali talaga siya sa'yo at nagsisisi na siya. I departed when I saw you with someone new. Ngayon na may bago ka na, hindi niya yun matanggap. Para bang nakakulong siya sa nakaraan niyo. Dahil gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na meron pa rin siyang feelings at hindi pa rin siya nakakawala sa connection na to. You express your thoughts through music. Alam niya na kapag nag-share ka ng stories, ng music, alam niya na directed yun sa kanya at hindi siya makaiwas. Kasi alam niya sa sarili niyang meron siyang pagkakamali sa'yo and doon mo lang ina-express yung emotions mo. You are not required to open the door just because someone knocks with regret. You get to decide what peace looks like for you now. I appreciate the wisdom I gained from this experience. This person thinks na natili ka kung sino ka talaga at na-appreciate niya na meron kang natutunan sa connection na to. Parehas lang kayo na meron, pero kahit na ganun, ayaw niya pa rin mag-let go. Kaya may times na hindi ka mapakali dahil until now, iniisip ka pa rin niya. If this message found you, lagi ka daw niyang iniisip. Take a deep breath and remember, you did the best you could with the love you had. Say this softly, it feels right. I release what hurt me and I allow myself to heal with or without closure. Some apologies are never spoken, but you don't need to hear them to move